Quinteros, exercise me. I did not know you would want it, but the FBI, but you know the word FBI stands for. I am with the FBI. I am female body inspector. Can I speak? You're funny, ah. Funny boy. Hello, Holyo. You're funny. Funny boy. Oh, really? You're an inspector? So, what do you want to inspect? You want to inspect my body if there is uh, some some problems?